Hi everyone, it's been forever. I know I told you that I would do an unboxing of my new starter kit that I received from the Body Shop. As you know, I all signed up to be a beauty consultant. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I need a little bit of extra money on top of I would like to use a discount on products that I love. So this is an awesome box. It's kind of cute. You could totally reuse it for anything for storage, organizing. It's got cute little drawers, two drawers, and then it opens on top. All right, so let's see what we have. First, on the top, open it up here. We have catalogs. This is great. Take it with you. You can give it to people. If you do events, host a party in person. Some people like to do farmers markets or art fairs or kind of other events where you set up a vendor booth. This is great to have. People can see firsthand without having to log on to their phone what type of products are available. So that is great and very useful. Next we have, awesome, our first drawer filled with a bunch of goodies. Just so you know, the starter pack has full-size products. They're not sampler sizes, they are full size. I believe the kit is about $79 and it comes with over $250 worth of product. So even if you don't want to be a consultant, you don't really want to sell, it's great to just get the box to get all the products at such a cheap price and then you're done. Like you have stuff, you can use the discounts on yourself and not actually try and get sales. It's really up to you and what you want to do. But let's see what we have here in the box. So first, I am going to take out the Vitamin C Skin Boost Instant Smoother. There we go. I think I shared photos on my VIP page. If not, I definitely will. There's a photo of an orange, what the orange looks with just its regular peel, and then right next to it, it's the peel with the Skin Boost on it. And it's basically like a primer and concealer in one, and it covers all the little holes and blemishes on the orange peel. So you know it works great on your skin. Next, we have the Vitamin E Gentle Face Wash. This is great. Ooh, with a raspberry. That just smells refreshing. It's light. I don't want to say that it's like it's because I have babies, so I'm like, what? It almost smells like baby powder, but it's got this light, refreshing scent. Not a baby powder scent. Don't actually listen to me on that one. All right, next. This is my favorite product. So, or I should say one of them. When I was a kid, I can't remember if it was middle school or high school. Probably was middle school. I don't know. I would specifically go, I couldn't afford anything. I would maybe get $20 a week, if that. So I couldn't really afford a whole lot of stuff to go shopping, but I know for sure I would go to the Body Shop and get this stuff. It is their hemp hand protecting cream. It works amazingly. I highly recommend it if you have dry, chapped skin, if you work with your hands a lot, you wash your hands a lot or sanitize a lot, it's perfect. It'll take away the chappedness, the dry, itchy, flaky, grody looking hands. And as we all know, what are the easiest way to tell someone's hands? Your face can look flawless. It's your neck and your hands can tell your age. So use the hemp products. The hemp cream, perfect on your hands. You won't look old. Next, we have the Clean Conscience Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. This is super cute. I'm actually really excited for this. Instead of using cotton pads, save the environment, we've got this neat little case. And inside, it has reusable makeup removing pads, and it's so cute. They have the days of the week listed on them. So there are 7 of them. There's one for each day of the week. You can keep them in this nifty little bag. You can put them in the bag, throw them in the washer like this so you don't lose them, and then you're just good to go. They're all stored right there. I love it. So we are not only cruelty-free, but we're also very sustainable. I don't know if any of you are aware, but we do have a lot of products that are reusable. I believe you can go into the store and have them refill the bottles with products. I wouldn't be surprised if you can do it online and mail it in. That is something I would have to look into. If you are interested in that, let me know and I can find out for you. Next, we have the shea butter. It's 100% natural community trade shea butter. It smells really good. Sorry, I'm using it too. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's very moisturizing. Now we have competition with the hand protector, right? Here you go, the little shea butter. Again, I said the starter kit is all full-size products, which is great, especially for the price. You can't beat it. You're paying way less than 50% off. It's such a steal. It's so worth it. Next, I am super excited to try this product, actually. It is our Drops of Youth. It's the Youth Liquid Peel. So it's an exfoliant, take away all the dead skins, all the impurities and blemishes in your face. See that there? And if there's anything that I'm pulling out that you want more information on, or you would like to see me sample it in a video so you can see what it looks like and how to use it, how to apply it, recommendations on how to apply it, please let me know and I will go ahead and do that. Next, we have another Drops of Youth product. It is the Youth Concentrate. Love it. I can't wait to try this as well. These are definitely products in the line I have not tried yet. But this will make your skin smoother and fresher. Pores will look more refined, and your skin will feel smooth and healthier. We all want great skin, though, too, don't we? Next, last but not least, in the first drawer, is another vitamin E product. It's a moisture cream. This is great for all skin products. Let me show you that there. So this will be great on your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. You might want to try and use that. I know vitamin E is really good for scars to help minimize the look of scars. So that is something, I know we all kind of battle wounds all over the place. So that is something to try. Okay, now we're going to go to the final drawer, which has a lot of products in here. Like this is awesome. All right, so first we have the chamomile. It's a cleansing butter. This is also, chamomile is really good for sensitive skin. So if you are sensitive to products, and there aren't chemicals in these products, so you don't really have to worry about that. But if you just in general have sensitive skin, this is something that you will want to try. The cleansing butter is kind of more, I think, of a face wash because it'll help gently melt away makeup and impurities, even waterproof makeup. So this isn't actually a body butter, even though it's in the same kind of can as the body butter. It is a cleansing butter. So what does that sound like? It cleans and moisturizes at the same time. Now here we have another body butter, and this is shea. Now I want to make sure I'm not confusing myself. So this is moisturizing multi-purpose butter, the first shea butter that I opened. And then this one is the 96-hour nourishing moisture body butter. That is shea. And this is actually vegan. All of our products are vegetarian. They're not all vegan, at least not yet, but that's because we use honey in some products, and I believe something else that I cannot think of at this very moment in time, but that's why we're not 100% vegan. So it's not like there's all these weird chemicals, you can't pronounce the names or anything like that. It's just honey. That's okay. Oh my God, this smells amazing. Okay, that's great. I love that. So love that. Ooh, can't wait to try this one actually. This is the almond milk body yogurt. Again, this is another vegan product. This is good for sensitive skin. So the difference between the yogurt and the butters is the yogurt is a little bit lighter of a moisturizer. That smells so good. It's a little bit lighter of a moisturizer. I believe this one lasts for 48 hours, whereas the body butter lasts for 96 hours. So it's a little bit thicker and more moisturizing. So depends on how dry your skin is or how you want to feel. They don't make you feel greasy either way, so you can't go wrong. It's kind of probably a personal preference. I am going to try both. So if you want my recommendations and opinions and views on the differences between the two, let me know and I can do that for you. Next, I have the Coconut Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub. So this is going to be great in the shower, especially to use on elbows, knees, you know, some of the rougher parts of your skin. I also like to exfoliate. That smells great. I love coconut. That smells so good. I love to exfoliate my legs, my arms. My legs get really dry and itchy, so I like to exfoliate on that as well, not just the knees and the elbows, to get rid of all the dead skin, you know, to try and get rid of all of the itchiness as well. Okay, that's just a stuffing paper. Next, we have the Lemon Purifying Hand Wash. Helps wash away impurities. I gotta smell this one. God, that smells like pure lemon. That smells like you're cooking. That smells so good. That smells really good. All right, here we have the Aloe Calming Toner. This is really good for sensitive skin as well. I will post kind of like a guidance or recommendation. This has such a light, refreshing scent, like you can barely even smell it. So that's gonna be great to use, especially with other moisturizers and products. It won't overwhelm all the senses with all of these different flavors and scents going on. The toner recommendation is the very first thing you should use after you wash your face in the morning and at night before you do the rest of your routine. Always start with toner. Well, excuse me. Wash your face first. Wash your hands, wash your face, and then toner before you moisturize, serums, you know, all that stuff. And I will post recommendations, steps on what to use, the order to use, because there's so many products out there and there's not really a guidance. Not a lot of people know what order to use things in. Most people do, or you kind of figure it out what to start with and what to end with, but I'll post something to help some of you out. Next, I have the Pink Grapefruit Shower Gel. Smell this one. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells like pink grapefruit. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of grapefruity, like funk, which is good. That's a good funk. Don't get me wrong, right? And then last but not least, and I'm dying to try this, and I actually have, because I slacked on doing my starting kit unboxing, I already have my mask brush to apply brushes with, so you don't get it under your nails or on your fingers, and you don't like putting masks on and then getting it all over your hands and stuff. So this is great. The brush is great to use with that. Sorry. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. So this is going to be great for getting rid of all the impurities, blemishes, blackheads, bring them all out, and then having your face glow afterwards. So that's it. That's everything that is in the starter kit. If you are interested in signing up to be a beauty consultant, or even just to get the starter kit, because it's such an amazing deal, and then you can kind of sample a lot of different products that we have without having to decide what to sample or what to buy. And also, like I said, This retails at over $250, so you're spending like way less than that for all of these products. So it's just a great deal. Please reach out to me. I can help get you set up to get you this kit. You don't need to push the sales. You don't need to do parties or anything. If you don't want to, if you want to, that's great. But if you just want a good deal like me, do it. Just get the kit. It's totally worth it. Next time we will show you some of the other products that I just received, and I will sample some stuff on video so you can see how to use it. So if there is also anything specific that you are looking for, let me know and I will sample that for you. All right. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.